Moringa and other natural galactagogues reviewed. Have you been told to drink a special tea or take an herbal supplement to boost your milk supply? With so many natural remedies promoted online, it can be difficult to know what actually works. Welcome back to Pump with Safia. Today we are reviewing moringa and other popular natural galactagogues so you can make informed decisions based on evidence rather than marketing. A galactagogue is anything that may help increase breast milk production. However, it's important to understand that no herb or supplement can replace frequent and effective milk removal. The biggest factors that influence milk supply are how often your baby nurses or how regularly you pump, along with a comfortable latch and good breast drainage. Moringa, sometimes called the drumstick tree, is one of the most researched herbal galactagogues. Several small studies suggest it may help increase milk production in some mothers, particularly during the early postpartum period. While the results are encouraging, the evidence is still limited, and not every mother experiences the same benefit. Moringa is generally well tolerated, but you should always discuss supplements with your healthcare provider, especially if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications. Fenugreek is another well-known option, but research has shown mixed results. Some mothers notice an increase in milk supply, while others see no difference. Fenugreek can also cause digestive discomfort and may not be suitable for people with diabetes, asthma, or certain allergies. Goat's rue, blessed thistle, fennel, milk thistle, and brewer's yeast are also commonly recommended. Unfortunately, high-quality scientific evidence supporting these products is limited. That doesn't necessarily mean they never work, but it does mean we can't confidently predict who will benefit or how effective they'll be. Before spending money on supplements, take a closer look at the basics. Is your baby transferring milk efficiently? Are you nursing or pumping frequently enough? Are you staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, and getting as much rest as possible? Addressing these factors often has a much greater impact than adding an herbal product. If you're worried about low milk supply, seek guidance from a lactation consultant or your healthcare provider before starting supplements. They can identify underlying issues that herbs alone won't solve, such as latch problems, tongue tie, hormonal conditions, or insufficient breast stimulation. Natural doesn't always mean safe, and more isn't always better. Herbal supplements can interact with medications, vary in quality, and may not be appropriate for everyone. The best approach is to use evidence-based information while focusing first on the fundamentals of breastfeeding. Thank you for watching Pump with Safia. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more science-backed breastfeeding guidance that supports both you and your baby.